information that is coming in from Chief Minister of Madhya Pradesh, Shivraj Singh Chauhan. He has tweeted on the same, on the big arrest of notorious gangster Vikas Dubey that has been made this morning. Just quoting from his tweet quickly, where he goes on to say, जिनको लगता है महाकाल की शरण में जाने से उनके पाप धुल जाएंगे, उन्होंने महाकाल को जाना ही नहीं। हमारी सरकार किसी भी अपराधी को बख्शने वाली नहीं है। एंड ही गोज ऑन टू से दैट विकास दुबे की गिरफ्तारी के लिए उज्जैन पुलिस को बधाई। सो ही इज सेइंग, Niranjan and Samar to continue to be with us. Niranjan, well, that is a congratulatory note from Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan going across to his team, police team in Madhya Pradesh for this big arrest today this morning.
Yeah, but I think it's the sheer audacity. What he's also pointing out is the sheer audacity of it all, because this man Vikas Dubey, he knows that police are looking for him in the last few days. 6 days the hunt has been on for Vikas Dubey, and he's been hopping from one city to another, one state to another. We don't know how many borders he has crossed, but I think it's a big question mark on how he left Kanpur in the first place. A question mark on the police in Uttar Pradesh who allowed this to happen. Question mark on the police in Uttar Pradesh also who gave him the full tip-off about the raid. This morning, Amita, we just broke details of the conversation between a police officer and this gangster on the night he was tipped off 5 hours before the encounter. And you heard, and we have details of how a police officer gave full details of the raiding party, spoke about the rank of the officer who would be coming, the different police stations involved in the operation, and how many policemen would be there, giving this gangster adequate time to set up a trap, and giving them time to set up the trap and then ambush them and kill 8 of them. 8 of them have been martyred, and I think there are enough questions to be answered by the police in Uttar Pradesh. It's come as a big question mark on the Yogi Adityanath government, but he's doing his best to crack down. But it is a little too late, because 6 days later he's been arrested in Ujjain. He tried his best, I think, to hide his identity, because if you look at the pictures outside the temple, where he's seen outside standing right next to a barricade, he's seen wearing spectacles, he's seen wearing a face mask, and he has a towel on his shoulder. He's barefooted because he was inside the temple. The fact that he was wearing spectacles is a clear giveaway that he was perhaps trying to hide his identity, but he did not do that after his arrest. After his arrest, when he was pressed by the police, he gave up his identity, saying that he was indeed Vikas Dubey. But he tried to cloak his identity, but since his pictures are out in the public domain, he couldn't get away. And the fact that he tried to enter the temple in the wee hours of the morning, a little before 6 o'clock, we are told, around that time, and he bought a special ticket, a 250 rupee ticket, so that he would avoid the crowd. Also telling you that he tried to ensure minimum human contact, and he entered the temple, and the security guard spotted him, saw that he was similar looking features. You saw those that picture of him on CCTV from Faridabad. Very identical. The pictures are very identical. I think it's been out there in the public domain, and the fact that these pictures were released by the police and widely circulated, it's been the biggest story in Indian media for the last 1 week. And the fact that it was widely circulated, publicized, has helped to a large extent to ensure this arrest was made, because the security personnel at the temple first identified him. They spotted him rather, and they had a doubt. They tipped off the police. The Ujjain police reached the temple, and then he when pressed, he gave up his identity.